What are 5 creative things I could do with my kids' art? I don't want to throw them away, but it's also so much clutter. It's wonderful that you want to preserve your kids' art in creative ways without cluttering your space. Here are 5 creative ideas to consider. Creatia, digital archive. Scan or photograph your kids' artwork and create a digital archive. You can organize these files in folders on your computer or use cloud storage. This way, you can easily access and share their artwork without taking up physical space. Custom art books. Compile your favorite pieces of your kids' art into custom art books. Many online services allow you to design and order personalized photo books. These can serve as cherished keepsakes that don't clutter your home. Rotate art displays. Instead of displaying all the artwork at once, create a rotating gallery on a designated wall. Frame some of their best pieces and periodically switch them out for fresh artwork. This way, you can continually showcase their creativity without overwhelming your space. Create collages or murals. Combine smaller pieces of art into larger collages or murals. This can be a fun family project. You can frame the collages or use them as wall decorations. This approach allows you to showcase multiple pieces in a visually appealing way. Turn art into functional items. Transform your kids' art into functional items, like placemats, coasters, or tote bags. There are online services that can print custom designs onto various products. This way, the art becomes a part of your daily life, while reducing clutter. Remember, it's important to involve your kids in the decision-making process. Ask them which pieces are most meaningful to them, and which ones they'd like to keep. This can help you prioritize and reduce the amount of artwork you need to store.